What's up, world? I'm Nazimsaliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. I appreciate you tuning in once again. I have a bunch of sneakers from Finishline. They restocked a bunch of stuff and I was able to pick up in the store today. And then I also have a Jordan 1 that came out a few days ago that I really want to show you guys and kind of do a comparison with a Jordan 1 that I already have on the shelf. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to remind you guys of the giveaway a little bit later in the video, so stay tuned for that if you're new to the channel. Right away here, I've already unboxed a few of these sneakers on the channel, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So at Finishline, I got this right here, the UNLV right here, Nike on the tongue, Nike on the back. But yeah, these actually came out a few weeks ago and super nice. Finishline ended up restocking, or maybe it's their first stock, but it was a grade school pair, and I walked in there and they had a bunch of dunks for sale. And this one was also in the store. I unboxed this like last video or the video before that. My brother-in-law hit on these, but I just got a grade school pair at the Finishline again. So yeah, super nice grade school pair of dunks right here, you guys. Going for some pretty good resale prices. And then I picked up this. This was on the shelf as well. And this is new to the channel, you guys. It's Jordan 1 Low. Check it out over here. It's kind of like a felt material right here, really soft buttery material. Maybe it's suede. It doesn't feel like suede, but anyway, it's got some branding right there, Jumpman, and then it's got wings on the bottom, just like all Jordan 1 Lows do. You got kind of like a teal bottom right there as well, and yeah, kind of like a tropical colorway for the summer coming up, guys. And yeah, pretty clean Jordan 1 Low, you guys. So let's just move on. And I was able to cop one pair for retail, and I paid one pair I paid for resale. But yes, you guys, I was able to get 2 more pairs of the UNC Jordan 1s. Really excited to have another pair for retail. I was supposed to get a pair from Finishline for retail on the day of the drop, but my brother was late picking it up, and I don't blame him. They kind of changed the pickup times, and he was, you know, they didn't sell him the shoe, so it is what it is. But they hooked me up with the pair today, and oh my gosh, that's a strong new sneaker smell, you guys. Very strong. But yeah, there's one pair. I paid resale for that pair, and then I paid retail for this pair. So here you go, guys. Another UNC Jordan 1. Same thing. Just super clean shoe, you guys. This one's got, yep, it's still got the lace bag attached. I thought maybe it was tore off, but yeah, super happy. Got one on the shelf, 2 right here. I had one, the first sneaker that I had of these, I paid resale just so I could do an early video, or like, it wasn't an early video, it was like the same day it came out, I did a video. And then my last sneaker, you guys, that I want to show you today is the Jordan 1 Patina, you guys. And I wanted to do kind of a comparison with the Jordan 1 Mocha. So let's bust the Mochas out right here and let's do a little comparison. Let me do a little thing here. Maybe this will be my thumbnail, but you got, look at the materials on here. You got tumbled leather on the toe box. You got tumbled leather on the side here, on the side panel where it's black. You got a bronze swoosh right there. You got bronze toe box right here, right there. And then you got a suede gray back right there, wings logo. And then you got Frankenstein stitching right there on the tongue. You got extra laces, black bottoms, you guys. You got like an aged midsole look right there. And then look at the Mochas. So like the Mochas, they have, it's a really clean colorway. It's a black toe with a brown back. But the materials, this is much better. This is much better as far as materials goes with the tumbled leather. I don't know. If you ask me, I think even though this was more desirable, the Mochas were more desirable, I would say that the materials is better on the Patinas. But yeah, just a little comparison for you guys. The Patinas are super like affordable right now. They're like a little over 200, you guys, if you're looking to buy a pair. Super affordable for a Jordan 1. The demand wasn't really that high, and obviously you guys know the demand on the Mochas, and it was all because of the Travis Scotts. So I mean, 3 shoes that look very similar. check them out over here. Like, I know the Travis Scott's because it's Travis, and then you got the Mochas, and then you got the Patinas. They all got like the earthy look to them. But yeah, as far as materials goes, I'd say the Travis Scott's has the best material, and then after that I'd put the Patinas and then the Mochas as far as materials goes. So yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. I'm gonna remind you one more time of the giveaway. There's like a few days left. Go back to my $5,000 P-Town Kicks mystery box video and comment on that video, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to enter the giveaway. I'm always giving back on the channel. I love giving back to you guys. Just really appreciate the support. And yeah, let's put these back down here. You guys, I've been telling you for a while now that I'm gonna do a one-on-one. I still have the shoes. Actually, they're supposed to be sitting up here, but the shoes are sitting in my car, ready to go. I got a one-on-one coming up still, and really excited for that. I promise you it's gonna happen really soon. So I need some basketball content on the channel again. I miss the basketball content. I've been playing ball lately, but just haven't uploaded anything as far as basketball goes. So yeah, stay tuned for the basketball video, you guys. And I do have some more sneakers that I've ordered, and you know, from Sneakers app and from Stole Steals, and just stay tuned. I got more sneakers and another basketball video, you guys. So I really appreciate the support, and hopefully I see you guys in the next video. Peace.